Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Insights. Today we have something really exciting to unbox. If you're looking to expand your storage or just want to access your M.2 SSDs easily, this might be the gadget for you. The UGREEN M.2 SATA NVMe hard drive enclosure. Let's dive in. Before starting the video, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and support us. Alright, here it is. UGREEN is known for their quality tech accessories, so I have high hopes for this one. It is designed to accommodate both SATA and NVMe M.2 SSDs, which is a fantastic because it gives you flexibility depending upon what you have. Supports wide range of SSDs and has up to 10 gigabytes per second transfer speed. Here are the complete specifications for you on the screen. Let's open it and see what's inside. We got few accessories here. First up, we have a user manual, USB-C to USB-C cable for those of with newer laptops. There is also a USB-C to USB-A cable which is great for connecting most of the devices. Very convenient. Finally, a thermal pad or a silicon pad for more heat dissipation and some more extra screws for securing your SSD inside the enclosure. UGREEN always includes everything you need, which is a big plus. Next, we have the enclosure itself, beautifully wrapped in protective plastic. It feels solid and well built, which is a good sign. Now let's take a closer look at the enclosure. It's designed to accommodate both SATA and NVMe M.2 SSD, which is fantastic because it gives you flexibility depending upon what you have. It features a lightweight aluminum body that not only looks sleek but also helps with heat dissipation, keeping your drives cool during operation. Let's go ahead and install a M.2 SSD to see how it works. I have here a Western Digital SN580 NVMe SSD to test it out. NVMe SSD is a significant upgrade from traditional SATA SSDs. Coming to its specification, it's of form factor M.2 2280, interfaces with PCIe Zen 3 4.0, sequential read-write speeds up to 4150 megabytes per second, available capacity options 250 gigabytes, 500 gigabytes, 1 terabyte and 2 terabyte. Now we are having 1 terabyte. Its highlighted key features are blazing fast performance, efficient power consumption, reliability and compatibility. First we shall unbox the SSD. If you are still watching the video, hope you liked it. Show your support by subscribing to our channel. Do not forget to hit that like button before you leave. Installing a SSD in this enclosure is very simple. Just align the SSD with the connector, gently push it down and secure it with the screws provided. Stick the thermal pad to the SSD for more heat dissipation. It's that easy. There is a handy LED indicator on the front to show you when it is powered on and in use. Alright, now that it's all set up, let's connect it to my laptop and see if it's recognized. Any type of new drives should be formatted before first use. Perfect. Just like that, it's detected. I can now use it to store files or backup important data. Overall, I'm really impressed with the UGREEN M.2 SATA NVMe hard drive enclosure. It's compact, stylish, and super functional. I have run some tests using the Crystal Disk software and it achieved these benchmarks. If you are interested in picking one of these, I will leave a link in the description below. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button for more awesome tech unboxing and reviews. Let me know in the comments if you have used this enclosure or have any questions. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.